shooting this on the Magic 6 Pro. Magkakaroon na kami ng fencing experience. Fencing experience! Fencing event now, fencing experience event. Sponsored by Honor. So, we were here a few months ago. Ito kami dinala ng isang brand. And I think it's my first time na makakapunta kami doon sa loob ng stadium. Kasi binook nila yung stadium for this experience event. Oh, by the way, I'm shooting this on the Magic 6 Pro. Let's go!
Who to blame?
I want...
So in this entire game, they have like the ready, set, go thing, which they pronounce it in French, which is very bougie. But this is where you prepare yourself. It's very bougie. Yes. The two sides are scores, and in the middle is the timing.
Uwi kami sa'yo. Fit na fit ka niya. Oh. Appendicitis. Appendicitis. Hindi ko na kaya. Pagod na ako. Changko. There. Alright.
And then release this. Now we will attach this to a lead acid battery system.
God damn it.
是这样子打的吗？ OK。
Oh! Hello guys, Nay tayo, okay na po ako. Artista na po ako, Nay tayo. Ito na, naka-ready na ako for the fencing match. So we have here the, of course, the sword. We have here the head protector. Kanina binidyo na ako nila Jopi. Habang susuot ako. So let's see. Meron siyang parang meron ditong nakasaksak para every time na tumama yung dulong yan sa kalaban mo, tutunog siya. So, nag-generate siya ng current, alam niya kung nakaka-score ka o hindi. So, dapat hindi lang siya basta tatamang ganon. Dapat tufukin mo, baby, ganon. Ganon dapat siya. Diba?
And then touch each other's protective area to show that you are respectful of each other. Yes, okay, great. And then back to the preparation round. 3, 2, 1, go!
Go Kyle! Go Gian!
Ready, set, go!
Minamasahe na, oh. Wow! MJ! Oh! Nice! Nice! Okay, tapos na. Nag-represent si MJ of Gadget Match. At nanalo kami, very very close, 15-14. Siyempre, beginners kami lahat dito, but it's a very good fight. Galing, galing, galing.